Welcome to this video on bentonite clay for earthing systems, focusing on ensuring electrical safety with sustainable grounding solutions. We begin by exploring the fundamental principles, the science behind electrical grounding stability. Bentonite is an absorbent aluminum phyllosilicate clay formed from volcanic ash. For earthing, sodium bentonite is preferred due to its superior swelling capacity and ability to retain high moisture content, which is vital for electrical conductivity. Bentonite clay provides a stable, low-resistance path for fault currents, maintaining contact with the electrode and ensuring high moisture retention. The standard soil resistivity can range widely, but bentonite, when saturated, achieves a low resistivity. Bentonite clay absorbs and swells to absorb up to 5 times its weight in water due to its hygroscopic properties. This minimal shrinkage ensures constant physical contact with the electrode, preventing hot spots in both wet and dry seasons. Our comparison analysis shows the performance benefits. Bentonite clay reduces overall earthing resistance by up to 75% compared to untreated natural soil, performing significantly better than charcoal and salt mixtures. The installation procedure involves 4 main steps: excavation of a pit, placement of the electrode, mixing bentonite with water to create a slurry, and backfilling the slurry around the electrode. When preparing the mix, aim for a ratio of about 1 part bentonite to 2 parts water by weight. The consistency should be a thick slurry. Cold, clean water is best, and additives like salt should be avoided. Bentonite clay offers high material efficiency, non-corrosive, non-leaching, with a longevity of 15 to 20 plus years, and minimal to zero maintenance. This contrasts sharply with charcoal and salt, which suffer from leaching, corrosion, and require regular watering. The key advantages include corrosion protection, eco-friendliness, and being cost-effective with lower life cycle costs. It also provides stable resistance values across all seasons. The resistance is greatly reduced by bentonite, as shown in the simplified formula. Implementing bentonite-based earthing ensures reliability, with a life cycle of over 20 years and minimum drift and grounding resistance. This safeguards both personnel and sensitive electronics.